Did you know that you can actually customize this volume panel and make it look like it, or even in other way? So in front of me I've got a Samsung device, and I'd like to share with you how to customize the volume panel in this device. The first thing, the most important thing, is to find the Good Lock. It's the app that you can find in the Galaxy Store or Play Store. Just download it, it's free of charge, and it is provided by the developer, so by the Samsung. So let's tap on Good Lock, and now let's scroll all the way down to find this option, Sound Assistant. And now all you need to do is to focus on the volume panel settings, which are right here. So first of all, you can customize volume panel. Obviously it will be powered off, so just tap on this switcher here, and now just tap on custom. So here we've got the standard panel and expanded panel. Let's focus on the standard panel first of all. So basically, if you want to, you can change the position of this panel. You can move it right here. Moreover, you can change the layout. So right now it is on the right. You can also set it on the left if you want to, if you prefer. I think I prefer it on the right. You can decide whether you want to show the volume level. So if you want to, you will be able to check the exact level. So in my case, 97, or you can turn it off and it will just disappear. So it's up to you. You can also apply this floating button right here. If you want to, it will, as you can see, change the position of the panel. I think I would like to turn it off. Here you've got the dual up volume. So basically, if you will turn it on, when the volume of the app is not 100%, it appears next to the main volume. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. And here you can also show both music and call volumes. So as I said, it is your customization. You can do it like you want to. You can also move to the expanded level. So obviously, if we will just tap on the three dots icon here, so here we've got our expanded level. So we can decide what we want to show here. So we can, for example, show the Bluetooth metronome. As you can see, it will appear right here. We can show or hide toolbar functions and the up volume. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. And this is the only, let's say, the only thing that we can customize. So I think I will just leave it like this. So this is the customization of the layout. So let me go back, and now we can make your own volume panel colors, which means that we can really personalize it. I mean, the look of it. So let's tap on it. It will be usually turned off, so just tap on the switcher, and as you can see here, we've got plenty of things that we can change, that we can customize. We've got the lightning effect, so as you can see, plenty of options to choose from, different animations, different colors, so you can choose how it will look like. It's really, really nice. I think I will pick the first one, maybe it's nice. Here under it, you've got also the texture. So the mesh, the acrylic one. We do not really have more. We've got only two. So I think I'll pick the acrylic. Here we've got also the control type. So we've got the bar as usual, or we've got the knob. So you will just have this circle, which is, I mean, it's interesting, right? We can also change the shape, so it's quite big here. We can also make it smaller, as you can see. And if it comes to the bar, we've got many more different shapes. We've got those wider options, those tiny options. Look at that. They are really tiny. So you can really customize everything here. Or if you're not the biggest fan of this, on this animation, you're not the biggest fan of those neon colors, you can simply go to theme, and here you can change the colors. You will not, you don't really need to use those animations. You can just use the colors. You can choose from the themes, which are, let's say, pre-installed. They are presets, or you can just go to this plus icon and change everything according to your personal preferences. So you can change the colors here of the bars, of the background, of the colors of the icons, etc. I don't really think I want to do it, at least right now, but I really highly recommend to just have fun with it, because you can really make your phone yours. But I think I'll just maybe I will choose the preset. So let me just tap on it. It is immediately marked, and now you can see that it is not applied for some reason. All right, it is because the flex volume was turned on. So right now we've got the themes turned on. So this is how it works. Really highly recommend, because you can customize your device in different ways that you really didn't think about. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.